particularly. So such efforts should be encouraged.
This college represents one man's expansive vision, dedication, and commitment to community service, women's advancement, and progress through education. The college stands out as a sterling example of what can be done for alleviating the problem of female illiteracy. It's a prototype that can be followed step by step at all such places across India. Dr. Kaushik is an outstanding role model whose unconditional service to the community ought to serve as a guiding light for the global Indian diasporas as well as for business and community leaders throughout India. His persistence and hard work, teamed with like-minded people from across the globe, in particular the United States and India, has built this state-of-the-art non-profit institution into what it is today.
Anybody who is actually contributing to the education of women, especially in rural areas, in my view, is contributing to the modernization of India.
सरकार को खुद आगे आकर ऐसे आदमी की मदद करनी चाहिए, उसके साथ खड़ा होना चाहिए, उसकी जरूरतों को पूरा किया जाना चाहिए और ये देखना चाहिए कि उसको इस नए काम में, इतने अच्छे काम में कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं आए.
Government will have to come forward and give them the infrastructure facilities by providing land or nominal rents and all this.
Dr. Kaushik's vision is not just for the village of Malsisar or even the state of Rajasthan. It is a vision with far-reaching global implications that could touch all of us well into the future. Acknowledging the mission's superlative work in the field of women's education, the Government of India declared all donations to the Mrs. Helena Kaushik Women's College tax-deductible. If the efforts made by one man alone could make such a huge impact on the lives of so many students and their families in such a short period of time, imagine the difference we all can make together. As she stands at the threshold with hope-filled eyes, you and I can make it happen for her. Let's give her education, enlightenment, and a shining new life.
Act now. It is in your hands to give her education, enlightenment, and a shining new life. Your gift can help nurture and nourish a new breed of women leaders of tomorrow.
So come, join the historic movement spearheaded by Dr. Kaushik. Give generously and help sow the seeds of knowledge and empowerment.
All contributions are 100% tax deductible and will be used to support the Helena Kaushik Women's College.
If you wish, you may also indicate a specific use of your funds, such as instituting a scholarship, enhancing campus infrastructure and facilities, sponsoring sports and co-curricular activities.
In India, send a check, money order, electronic transfer or PayPal to
Helena Kaushik Women's College, Post Malsisar, District Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan 331028.
In United States, please make your contributions to
Helena Kaushik Education Foundation, Post Box 234, Briarcliff Manor, NY 10510.
For more information, please log on to www.helenakaushik.org
or email chairman@regging.org. Yes, your compassion and concern, your strength and support can make a world of difference to women's education in rural India.
यहाँ का वातावरण बहुत अच्छा है। अगर ये कॉलेज नहीं होती तो शायद आगे मैं और पढ़ाई नहीं कर सकती।
और यहाँ के टीचर भी बहुत अच्छे हैं।
ये कॉलेज लड़कियों का होने के कारण शायद हमें पढ़ा भी रहे हैं घर वाले।
समय समय पर कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज होती रहती है और हमें शैक्षिक भ्रमण पर भी ले जाते हैं, जहाँ पे हमें बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। मैं भविष्य में प्रशासनिक सेवा में जाना चाहती हूँ। ये कॉलेज बहुत ही अच्छी है।
हमारे मुस्लिम संप्रदाय में आगे लड़कियों को पढ़ाया नहीं जाता है। ये कॉलेज मेरे गांव के पास था, इसलिए मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे यहाँ पढ़ाया। ये इस कॉलेज की वजह से ही मैंने आगे की पढ़ाई पूरी की है। औरों को भी प्रेरित करूंगी कि आगे की पढ़ाई पूरी करें।
It's such an exciting time that the college is celebrating its 10th anniversary. 10 very strong years of serving. We compliment them here.
I congratulate the college on its 10th anniversary, and I'm sure that it will be a great asset to the country and a great example to the world about what can be done. It's also a great example of what one person who is really determined and devoted to promoting education can accomplish.
The desire is to turn this into a women's university, and ultimately this is a small experiment, but the idea, the dream, the wish I have is that there should be a women's college, a women's university in every district and every state of India.